So same from here. You can also click the actions button. And as long as there's a balance, you're going to have an option to charge credit card. So let's see. So I'm going to, for this one, I'm going to quickly show you because we already have a payment. So the balance is 0. I'm going to change this to 100, save it. So now if I click actions, you'll see here I have charge credit card. Okay, so if I click charge credit card, well, I don't have the feature activated on my dummy account, but you will, as long as you sign up for the credit card processing, and you'll be able to use that. Or one of my favorite features is send payment link. So send payment link will allow you to send a link to the patient, and the patient does not have to log into any portals. It's very seamless. They just get a link, they click on it, they pay, and you'll get an alert, an email to say that patient paid. So that is a nice feature here.